comes to foamposites, I'm a huge fan, well, of anything that's foams, like clogposite, flightposite, and foamposite. So right now I'm trying to get my collection up. Your boy paid $230 for these shoes, plus tax, $248. I remember being at work, getting a notification, and I clicked on that notification and it said exclusive access on these Galaxies. I say, what? Sneakers app showed your boy love? I can't believe it. And it was about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, after putting my size in and, card information, it said got him. Your boy got him. I cannot believe it. Now, when it comes to foamposites, your boy, I always go true to size. These shoes not only feel good on feet, but they look good on feet. Now, when it comes to the Galaxy print, I'm not too crazy about it, but what I do love about these shoes is the glow in the dark outsole. Let's take a look. I was thinking about doubling up on these shoes because the release date is the 21st. That's next week. But 2 reasons why I might not double up on these shoes, because you got Flu Game 12s coming out March 1st. And then if I was to get another pair, I'll flip it. But the resale value on StockX went down from 600 to 400. So is it worth it? I don't know. A lot of people is crazy about these shoes, man. I don't know why. Maybe they missed out on the 2012 pair. I was on StockX the other day and seen people buying these shoes for over $1,000. And then I don't even want to talk about the Jordan 5s reimagined. They were fighting over those shoes. Yeah, man, these shoes are dope. I'm happy I got them, and I'm happy to add them to the collection. So, what say y'all? Are these shoes hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.